So, I don't know how many of you have ridden in a Ford Explorer, but the windshield has a unusual shape that if you try to put a generic sun blocker in there for the windshield, it will not fit right. It will fall down. You have to use the visors and stuff, maybe a little bit of acrobatics to get it to work. So I decided to order a shield, a sunscreen shield for my windshield that was made for it, the same shape of the window, because it's not typical. And while you might say, well, I think a generic would work, I do actually have a generic right now and it doesn't work well. So I ordered this online. It's supposed to come in a carrying case, which I guess is what this is. The little pull tie. On the inside, some Velcros here. Right, so this is the actual size and look of my Ford Explorer windshield, and you can see it's kind of unique shape. So the next part would be to test this and see how well it fits. One thing, it is very thick, and I like that it can fold up. It seems sturdy enough too that it can fold well. Yep. My windshield isn't clean. I haven't washed my vehicle in a while, but at least you get to see how much coverage it makes on keeping the sun out of your vehicle. Let me show you what it looks like from inside. So if you don't put the visors down, it will lean like that. It doesn't stay up on its own. I guess because of the weight, it is very thick. So you need to put the visors up against it. Not up, but against it, in order for it to do its job. I think they made here a little too big. They could have made it smaller. I guess it was to cater for more places, that more kinds of different kinds of vehicles, but in doing that they made it a little too big, and that's part of why it's slack. It doesn't lean against the rear view mirror. You can also see my GoPro there and the mount that I'm using. I kind of put my camera behind it so the sun doesn't attack it. Anyway, that's how it looks. Tell me what you think in the comments area.